In other updates related to sports, after months of denial, finally N. Srinivasan will have to vacate his post as the BCCI president after the Apex Court asked him to step down. While a further probe into allegations of betting and fixing by his son-in-law is sure to throw up more skeletons, the IPL fixing case, now the question is what next for N. Srinivasan?
Down after these observations, sir. Sir, are you stepping down, sir?
N. Srinivasan refusing to comment. Even as he was dealt a crushing blow by the country's top court. Mincing no words, terming the current situation nauseating. Questioning why Srinivasan was sticking to his chair. The court asking the BCCI president to step down, failing which it will pass a verdict.
बिल लिफाफा को के ऊपर बात आई और उन्होंने बीसीसीआई के लॉयर को माननीय न्यायालय ने कहा कि अगर क्रिकेट को आपको साफ करना है तो श्रीनिवासन को स्टेप डाउन करना पड़ेगा.
The BCCI lawyers shown some of the contents of the report in a sealed envelope. The sealed envelope made all the headlines. A report in which the role of a few top Indian players have been raised. The court terming the allegations in the envelope very, very serious, therefore asking Srinivasan to step down. A stand echoed by a former BCCI chief, Shashank Manohar.
As a person, I have said whatever I had.
But you obviously, sir, said at that point of time when the IPL fixing controversy happened, then Mr. Srinivasan should have stepped aside. What would you have done if that was the position that you were in, sir?
I would have stepped aside.
But despite the stinging observations, the BCCI vice president was non-committal.
सर इतना ही लाइन सर पूछ लो हुआ क्या इतना ही दे दीजिए ना
इतना ही कह दीजिए ना कोर्ट का
सुनो अरे खबर
इतना ही कह दीजिए ना कोर्ट का.
With three BCCI vice presidents demanding for Srinivasan's resignation in the wake of court's stinging observation, pressures fast mounting on the BCCI president.
Since the Supreme Court, had it been any other court, there is always chance to go in higher court. Supreme Court, there is no higher court. So therefore, any order of the Supreme Court is a final and binding. So if the Supreme Court says he has to step down, he will have to step down.
The latest developments and the strong language used by the court have clearly caught the board off guard. And the BCCI chief now has 48 hours to decide his next move. Bureau Report, Times Now.